How to log into your ByBit account. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your ByBit account or even sign up if you don't have an account. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon as well so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So as you guys know, ByBit is an online trading platform where you can trade cryptos and other assets. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your ByBit. Here you will be welcomed by this login page. You just have to tap on sign up or login. But there is one other good thing that ByBit provides you, that is demo trading. So you just have to log in and it will give you certain amount as your demo money to make you experienced in trading. So for that, you first tap on sign in, and if you already have signed in, all you have to do is enter your login details like your email, password, or if you want to continue with Google, you can tap on it as well. So once you choose your Google account, it will take you to intelligent verification and ask you to enter the verification code. So you just enter the verification code from your email and you should be logged into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.